Prakhar, do you have a hero's journey to share that made you this confident and clear in your head? The first one was my father. My father's a hard man to deal with. Very, very hard man. Very, very hard man. And what did I do? I faced him, bro. And I know, like, bro, the personal pain that I went through in trying to do that is just so... Oh my gosh. And I went through it because on some level I understood that I did not want the long-term relationship with him to be ruined. And so I fought him. That day and then, and so many times, so many tough conversations, so many. Like, bro, imagine मैं बात कर रहा हूं और मैं बात करते करते spontaneously बिल्कुल रो रहा हूं. फोन पे बात कर रहा हूं मैं और spontaneous टूट गया, बिखर गया, और उनको तब भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है. He just does not understand because the man is 40 years too calcified, 40 years too solid in his way of being, and I'm breaking up. Like, can you not hear? I'm crying. Can you not see it? And for him, he just doesn't know what to do from there. Like, he's like, no, you're wrong. And I'm like, come on. Do you not see how this affects me? And so that was hard. And that took maybe the first 20 to 23 years of my life. And for a lot of people, that might be nothing. But I'll tell you what it is the ability to fight what you think cannot be fought and win what you think cannot be won, and not discard the object of your ire, but to make friends with it. That's what I learned. I learned that no matter what you think is the biggest obstacle in your way, you can overcome it. And what it takes is persistence, skill, craft, and courage. And if you keep going at it, and if you have the right people around you, you'll get there. And now, when I see so many families, because back then also, पता है क्या होता था? People would ऐसे ना comment होता था मेरे बारे में कि ये देखो अपने पापा के साथ he doesn't get along, and he talks back and this and that, and everybody would like comment that. And all those people who would comment that now have difficult relationships with their families because they don't tell the truth. And I have a beautiful relationship. My father's my best friend, my mom's my best friend, and I have nothing to be afraid of. I can tell them whatever I want. I can stream and I can speak whatever I want here, and there is nothing to be hidden.